Hello everyone, my name is Rashi Dhal and I am a humanities student of class 11 Shiri Sai Public School, and today my friends and I are going to tell you about the tea cultivation of India.
In 1689, Ovington records that tea was taken by the Baniyas in Surat without sugar or mixed with a small quantity of conserved lemons, and the tea with some spices added was used against headache, gravel, and gripe. The tea leaves for such use may have come from China. While experimenting to introduce tea in India, British colonists noticed that tea plants with thicker leaves also grew in Assam, and these, when planted in India, responded very well. From the first, Indian-grown tea proved extremely popular in Britain, both for its greater strength and as a patriotic product of the empire. Tea had been a high-status drink when first introduced, but had steadily fallen in price and increased in popularity among the working class. By the last quarter of the 19th century, big brands such as Lyons, Lipton's dominated the market. Tea was the dominant drink of all the classes during the Victorian era, working class families often doing without other food in order to afford it. This meant the potential market for Indian tea was vast. Indian tea soon came to be the norm, with China tea a minority taste. Until the 1970s and rise of instant coffee, Indian tea had almost sold the command of the hot drink market, and its rivals were cocoa, coffee, and savory drinks such as Bovril, OXO. In recent decades, Asian tea has lost much ground in the cheaper end of European markets to tea from Africa, especially Kenyan tea.
Hello everyone, myself Lokesh Singh, and I'm here to tell you about the importance of tea cultivation in Assam. So let's begin. Assam is a beautiful state. It is a gateway to northeast India. It has very rich culture and heritage. It produces around 50% of India's tea. Plants are grown in the lowland of Assam. Tea is harvested in first flush and second flush here. Here, Brahmaputra river provides water and nutrients to the soil for the growth of tea. It also plays an important role for the transportation and communication for the people. It routes from China and goes to Bangladesh via India. Assam seeks a lot of tourists from all over the world for its tea gardens, which has boosted the economy of the state. In Assam, women are highly dominating cultivators of tea. They are skilled and paid good amount of money for picking leaves and arranging them in gardens.
Good morning everyone, my name is Mohammad Afan. I'm a student of class 11C. I would like to draw your attention on my topic tea cultivation in Kerala. Tea or chai is the most widely drunk beverages in the whole world. The tea plant is a cultivated variety of tree that has its origin in an area between India and China. The Assam variety, a single stem tree ranging from 20 to 16 feet in height. Regular puring keeps its heights more manageable, 4 to 5 feet tall. It has an economical life of 40 years with regular puring and plucking. When
Tea cultivation in West Bengal. The West Bengal tea industry production areas are in the North Bengal region of West Bengal state in eastern India. It includes tea estates facilities in the district of Darjeeling, Jalpaiguri, Cooch, Bihar, Kisangani and North Dinajpur in West Bengal. West Bengal is the second largest producer, contributing over 22% of India's tea from about one-fourth of the country's total area under tea cultivation. In 2002 to 2003, West Bengal produced 180,000 tons of tea from 103,000 hectares of land. Tea production in Darjeeling. The Tea Board of India recognizes 87 tea estates as producers of Darjeeling tea. Communicatively, they cover 17,500 hectares of land. Apart from these states, a relatively small amount of tea is produced in farm cooperatives, but they lack processing and quality control infrastructure. Darjeeling district is well known all over the world for its most exquisite aromatic tea. Annual rainfall of 300 cm, moderate temperature and fertile soil gives special flavors to tea, although yields are quite low, generally below 15 hectares.